A V12 engine is a powerhouse, featuring 12 cylinders arranged in a V configuration. This design allows for smoother operation and more power compared to a V8, which has only 8 cylinders. The V12's extra cylinders mean it can produce more torque and horsepower, making it a favorite in high-performance and luxury cars. One key difference is the firing order. A V12 can fire more frequently, resulting in a more refined engine note and less vibration. This smoothness is why you'll often find V12s in exotic cars like Ferraris and Lamborghinis. On the flip side, V8 engines are simpler, lighter, and often more fuel efficient, making them popular in muscle cars and trucks. While a